How to change Netflix plan. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change a Netflix plan, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to change your Netflix plan, what you can actually do is you can simply open up your browser, go to netflix.com and log into your account, then tap on the three lines option from the top left, then simply go to this option here, that is account. Then once you go to this option called account, here you can see my current plan, whether you're willing to upgrade or downgrade. Tap on the change plan option over here, then you can simply select any of the other plans that are available, and then you'll be able to start using them. So you can tap on it, then tap on the continue option, and then your plan will get successfully changed. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change plan on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.